monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, ये क्या था?
System unit.
System unit. This is a monitor. It looks like a TV. The front part of the monitor is called its screen. We see pictures on a monitor screen. We see different types of monitor around us. CPU is the brain of a computer. Like brain, it is the most important parts of the computer. Personal computer which are used personally are called personal computers. PC. We can move these type of computers from one. देखो रुको ये सुना के मैं एक्सप्लेन करूंगी एक चीज का place of other to another place easily